Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I was having a look around Poundland, namely their Christmas aisle, and I came across this little fellow here, the tool car. So I thought, oh yeah, well I'm going to have to get one of those, aren't I? It's going to have to be done. So tell you what we better do is get it out of the wrapping, out of its little presentation box, like so. Chuck that over there. And here it is, look at this. It's a little Volkswagen Beetle, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so it's a little car on a keyring. You see it's got silver wheel trims this side, but nothing on this side. Underneath, what do we got? Haha, a couple of screwdrivers. And somewhere to pop them into with a little magnet down the bottom there. Let's get one out and give it a go. Quite a nice strong little magnet there, as you can see. I say we've got a little Phillips head driver there, and then the other one we have a small, if I can get it out, it doesn't want to come out, there we are, little small flat screwdriver. This setup is very similar to my tool tank. My tool tank has 3 screwdriver bits in it, however, and the little the gun is actually the bit where you put the, the part where you put the screwdriver bits into to use them. So anyway, let's take a look at this fella instead. This is the one we're concentrating on today, the little tool car. Let's say it cost me £1 of my own money. They come in red as well, from what I can see, and it seems to be a little stocking filler that Poundland have got in this year. It feels quite nice. The plastics are quite nice. There's no sharp edges to it at all. The bottom is screwed in, as you can see. We've got a little magnet down the bottom there, and we have this little keyring on there too. As I say, what we do is we get the bits out, pop them in there like that, and that's how you use a screwdriver. So I think what we'd better do, guys, is, if I can get this back in there again, there we go. Oh, they're held in little clips, by the way. You might be able to see it in there. There's a little teeny clip in there, just in there, and you can see that's what holds the bit in. There's one exactly the same on the other side too. Okay then, I think we ought to drive it down to the workshop then. Okay, so here we are in the workshop with a little tool car. Now, as I say, it does come with 2 screwdriver bits supplied, but if these don't suit your needs, they are standard 1/4" bits, so you can actually, if you've got any other bits kicking around, you can carry them in the car too, whichever suits your needs best, really, guys. Alright then, let's give the tool car a workout. We'll start with the little Phillips driver bit here, held in, as I say, with the magnet. I'll give this little screw here a bit of a go first, I think. Let's give it a go then. Okay, well the keychain is going to get in the way then, obviously. And it is actually bringing the little screw out, as you can see. Let's put it back in again. There we go, tighten it up a bit. Okay. There we go, it's done that one. So let's try the other one. The little flat bladed driver here on this slotted screw. Yes, bringing that one out quite nicely too, guys. Let's loosen it off. These screwdriver bits are a bit too big to do glasses with, though. Okay, tighten that one up. There we are. I think we ought to try and put some screws into wood with it. And I've got here a smallish slotted screw here, not very big at all, as you can see. And then we've got a Phillips or posi drive screw just here for the other bit. So just clear the decks a little bit, make a little bit of a hole around about here. Not too much of a hole, because you can see it's only a very, very small little screw. Get it in there. Let's give the tool car a go. Oh, it's got on the floor. Alright, got it back again. And by the way, the drop didn't seem to break it either, look guys, so not bad at all then. Right, get it going. There we are. Oh, it's hanging into this screw quite nicely. I should have brought my glasses out here as well. Oh, yes, it sticks in the head of the screw quite nicely. There's this little bit here. Oh, and again. Right, we've nearly got it all the way down. It's nearly there. It's not easy using a car as a screwdriver. Not got a lot to hang on to. Oh, there we go. Right, and I think that's proved the point just there then. Let's get the other driver bit in here. Got quite a tall screw here as well, so make a hole for that one then. In it goes. Right, in. Let's try this one then. I think the head of this one's been chewed up, this screw actually guys, but the tool car driver bit is handling it quite nicely. That's clever. Yeah, the head of this screw is well and truly chewed up. I'm going to have to chuck this one in the bin, I think. It's not very good at all. But still, the tool car is handling it quite nicely indeed. Okay, alrighty then. So what about car maintenance? Could you fix your car with it? Well, here I've got an 8mm and a 10mm socket for these bolts just here, and I've got a 1/4" drive adapter that should in theory fit in the tool car. So we'll start with the smaller socket and see what we can do. There we go. As you can see, it's tightening the bolt down. There we go. That's it tight. It's not going anywhere now. And loosen it off again. So it's done the smaller one up. Loosened it off again guys. What about this one here? Swap out the socket. That's quite tight actually. Yep, definitely. God blimey, it's tight. Who did that up? Wow, there we go. That's got it going. Right, it's got that one loose. So we'll tighten it up a bit now. There we are. In fact, this one, is this the same size? Yeah, this is the same size guys. So as you can see, it's nice and loose there. Tighten him up a bit. Tight and loose. Look at that. So you could almost use it for car maintenance too. Alrighty then. So the little tool car that I got from Poundland yesterday. So it's quite nice plastics. It feels quite nice. There's no sharp edges or anything like that there. It's quite nicely put together. I didn't manage to damage either of the two screwdriver bits, nor the little hole in the bottom while I was doing my tests. You know, nuts and bolts and screws and stuff like that there. I mean, you're not going to be able to sort your car out with it, I wouldn't have thought, because it's a bit too small for getting, you know, a goodly amount of leverage and torque on there. But yeah, for little jobs, little small jobs, it's fine. It's quite a nice little gimmick, an ideal little stocking filler, I would have thought. And as I say, I purchased it myself guys, so I'm not being paid to do this review. Okay then, well basically I hope you enjoyed this little review. Hope you'll come back again, and I'm sure I'll have something else for you in the very near future then. So please come back to Rathbone Manor in the near future then, and I'll catch you laters.